Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's try that again. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I have prepared what is known as the basic step of waltz. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and begin with a beautiful ballroom posture. For ballroom dancing, we're going to keep our feet in 11 shape, and it can be completely together or slightly apart, up to your preference. Our ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders are nicely stacked up. Our abs are going to be engaged, chest open, and shoulders are down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky so you feel elevated on the upper body. And we're going to keep our knees somewhat soft, feeling the gravity pulling us down from the belly button down. Now, it is time for us to move on to our steps. For your ease of learning, I'm going to switch my view into a mirror view image. Let's go ahead and take a step forward with the left, and step to the side with the right, and bring it together. This time, we're going to go back with the right foot, step to your left, and bring it together. So as you can see, we're drawing a nice back step, leading forward with the left, side together, and leading back with the right, and side together. Very good. This time, I'm going to call out the footwork as I take each step so it's easier for you guys to follow along how the footwork works in basic of waltz. We're going to go heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel. Let's try that one more time. Heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel. Very good. The type of the music that we'll be dancing waltz to will be consisted of 3 to 4 beats, which means the music will go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And each step is going to be counted as 1, right? So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, it is time for us to try together to the music. Make sure you have a great ballroom posture. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Keep it light on your feet. Great job, guys. Keep going. Now it is time for us to discuss a little bit of techniques in waltz. One of the techniques that comes to my mind in waltz is the rise and fall. So let's go ahead and introduce you guys a little practice that is going to enhance your rise and fall technique in waltz. I'm going to keep my feet about my shoulder width, and I'm going to imagine from my belly button down, the gravity is taking me down slight bit. So it is important for me to keep my knees soft. Allow me to demonstrate it sideways so it's easy for you guys to see. Alright, so my legs are about shoulder width apart, and from my belly button, my body is allowing the gravity to let me fall slight bit by utilizing my soft knee. Take note, guys, that I'm not bringing my posture forward as I fall or back. It is really important for us to keep our posture nice and elevated and just falling down from our gravity, center of gravity, which is belly button down, allowing us to fall. This time, let's practice the elevation. After we fall down, as we come up, I'm going to bring my heels up, allowing myself to elevate towards the sky, right? So fall and rise, fall and rise. So So this is going to be the fun practice that you can do at home in order to enhance the rise and fall in your basic of waltz. I'm going to demonstrate how this applies to your basic step. As you are stepping forward and back, we are going to glide through the room. And as we are doing the side together step, left or right, we are going to present the beautiful rise and fall. Allow me to demonstrate as I verbalize this so you can kind of see it and try with me together here. Step forward, we are going to glide and rise and fall. Once again, as you're stepping back, glide, rise, fall. Let's try that one more time. Glide, rise, fall, glide, rise, fall, glide, rise, fall, glide, rise, fall. Very good. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed dancing waltz with me. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another dance. Bye!